The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Wow, my people, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. My people, brace yourself because I have sad information to give to you, or sad news as well some persons might say. Now, I got information that 5 persons are now dead after motorcycles collided with a motor vehicle in St. Andrew, Jamaica on Sunday night. It is said that those persons who died was traveling on motorcycles on a road in St. Andrew, Jamaica, and at some point motorcycles collided with a motor vehicle, and 5 persons are said to be dead as a result of that incident. Now, my people, I got information that none of those persons who were traveling on those motorcycles were not wearing any helmets. It is said that the collision caused the motor vehicle to overturn and landed on one of its sides. And allegations have been made about speeding when it comes down to the whole situation. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to how many persons was traveling in the motor vehicle that's involved in the whole collision, viewers and subscribers. But it is said that an investigation had been launched into the whole situation to determine what really happened when it comes down to the incident, viewers and subscribers. See? Allegedly, at least one of those persons who was traveling on motorcycles died sometime after the incident. I also saw pictures and videos posted at different places on social media about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. I saw pictures showing persons' face claiming that those are the persons who died, and I saw video footage of the scene of the incident and other things as well to viewers and subscribers. You know, this is really and truly a sad situation. Just a little more information that I got, all right? And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic, my people. Now, another sad topic now, my people. I got information that a security guard was shot and killed, and at least one other person had been injured during what is said to be a armed robbery. Now, according to information that I got, or according to reports, it is said that security guards employed to Beryllium Limited were delivering money to an automated teller machine that's located in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica on Monday, when a motor vehicle pulled up and at least 2 persons got out of that motor vehicle and opened fire. According to more information that I got, it is said that the security guards was heading towards or walking towards the ATM machine or the automated teller machine when shots was fired in their direction. So it is said that one person who is said to be a security guard had been shot and killed, and at least one other person had been injured. So it is said that persons who are said to be robbers made off with a certain amount of money, viewers and subscribers. See? It is believed that persons who are said to be robbers made off with millions. Now, please bear in mind that there might be more information as to how many persons had been injured in viewers and subscribers. I understand, because I got unconfirmed information about the whole situation as well. According to more information that I got, it is said that police say that this might have been organized, viewers and subscribers. It is said that police say that this might have been organized. So, my people, just again information as to how I got information. I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.